Discover It Secured Credit Card Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. The Discover It Secured Credit Card is a popular choice for those looking to build or rebuild their credit. Its key feature is that it requires a security deposit, typically ranging from $200 to $2,500, which acts as your credit line. After demonstrating responsible credit use, typically within 7 to 8 months, Discover automatically reviews your account for graduation to an unsecured card, and your deposit is returned. This card earns rewards: 2% cash back at gas stations and restaurants on up to $1,000 in combined purchases each quarter, and 1% cash back on all other purchases. Discover also offers a unique feature where they match all the cash back you've earned at the end of your first year as a cardholder, effectively doubling your rewards. The Discover It Secured Card is designed for individuals with limited or poor credit history who are seeking a pathway to improve their credit score. It's also suitable for students or young adults who are new to credit. One major strength is the potential for graduation to an unsecured card, allowing you to reclaim your security deposit. Another is the Cashback Rewards program, offering tangible benefits while you build credit. The cashback match at the end of the first year is a valuable incentive. Furthermore, Discover provides free FICO credit score access, which is beneficial for monitoring your credit progress. However, the card has some weaknesses. A security deposit is required, which may be a barrier for some individuals. The reward structure, while decent, is not as lucrative as some unsecured rewards cards. Also, the card may not be the best option for those with fair to good credit, who might qualify for an unsecured card with similar or better terms. The APR is relatively high, as is typical with secured cards, so it's crucial to pay your balance in full each month to avoid interest charges. In conclusion, the Discover It Secured Credit Card is a solid choice for building or rebuilding credit, offering a clear path to graduation, cashback rewards, and free credit score access. While the security deposit and potentially high APR are drawbacks, the benefits often outweigh the costs for those who are diligent with their payments. Carefully consider your financial situation and compare it with other secured and unsecured card options before making a decision, but for many, this card represents a significant step towards better credit health.